Water. Water is the one of the most important natural resources. Water plays an important role in our daily life. It's a gift by nature. Earth is the only planet where we found water. Life without water is impossible to survive in this world. Our bodies contain about 70% water. It is a vital component of proteins, the building material of all cells. Our blood is water. All other liquids in our body consist of water mostly. In psychology, body water is the water content of an animal body that is contained in the tissues, the blood, the bones, and elsewhere. The percentages of body water contained in various fluid compartments add up to total body water. This water makes up a significant fraction of the human body. Without water, life as we know it would not exist, and life exists wherever there is water. All organisms, like animals and plants, use water, salty or fresh, hot or cold. Plenty of water or almost no water at all. They are adapted to all kinds of habitats, from sizzling deserts to the freezing pitch dark ocean floor. The first living things appeared in the ocean nearly 4 billion years ago. For daily survival, the human body requires water. Water is important for day-to-day activities like watering plants, bathing, cleaning, washing, cooking, etc. Without water, we will die. 70% surface of our planet is covered with water, but all this water is not fit for our daily use. Only a very small of all water is usable. We got water from rivers, lakes, oceans, etc. But humans are polluting all their water bodies at a great level. So, we need to understand the importance of water. We must use water very carefully. We also need to spread awareness to save water. Thank you.